So hello everyone, welcome to the new video lecture series of AutoCAD. Till now we have draw and constructed this one. Okay, in this video we are going to see some new things. Okay, from the syllabus, from our syllabus. We have already discussed the syllabus in our website. You can see and check it. Today we will discuss the module 3. Okay, that is editing modifying tools. So in this we have I think already discussed stretch, explode, join, hatch pattern. Okay. No, hatch we have not discussed. So let's discuss hatch. We have seen join and explode and stretch. Okay. And main thing in this video we will see block creation and management. Okay. How to create a block because it is important to draw doors, window and the same elements like column, all the columns we must keep in the block, all the beams we keep in block, so that once we edit one column it will be automatically be edited in another one. Okay, so let's see first one, hatch and hatch pattern. Okay, so in this we will place the 10 by 12 inch of column in 10 inch and 12 inch. Okay, so let's draw a rectangle first of 10 inch and 12 inch. 12 inch. Okay, this is of the 10 inch by 12 inch of rectangle. We can move it to this corner, to our wall corner. Okay, here let's say we have placed a column here and we want to hatch it. Okay, I want to fill some color or some texture within this column. Okay, so for this you have to click H enter, or you can go to this one in draw command. You can find the hatch tool. Okay, first of all you have to click H and enter. It will open the hatch tool palette. Once it opens you can select your color and all the things. Okay, when you click on this drop down menu you can find many pattern and gradients in this hatch. If you have installed YQRs, then some YQR texture I've already added in the hatch command. You can select these either. Okay, so for column if you want to select the solid color, so just click on solid, and here you can adjust the transparency and color of the solid. Okay, if you want to add this yellowish color for the column, just select or change it from here and click within the column. Okay, there are so many properties for the hatch. If you increase the transparency it will change its transparency like this. If you increase it like 90% or 100% or 80%, the transparency will change of the hatch color. Okay, the next command we will see hatch pattern. Okay, just for example, I want to hatch this wall. Okay, so you have to know what is the hatch pattern, means where you have to hatch which texture. For wall you have to draw inclined perpendicular lines, for column you have to fill solid, for window or for doors you have to hatch some other textures. Okay, so first of all we will see what is hatch patterns for each and every element in the house. So to understand the hatch pattern better, you can search on Google or just go to the Revit. Means we are going to the Revit to see the hatch pattern of different house elements. Okay, so just go to the level 1 and just create a, okay, we have created a section here. Here you can see, just imagine if it is a concrete wall, then this pattern will be filled in the concrete section. Okay, and so for example, what is the different hatch pattern you can see here. Here is our, okay, this is the hatch pattern of different elements in the house. Okay, so just remember, for solid fill it should be the solid color. Okay, for aluminium the three parallel inclined lines. Okay, for cross hatch this pattern, or you can see many things is here. Sand, for sand this pattern is used. For sand is dense sand, the same pattern will be used but in the dense quantity. Okay, yes, this is the brick masonry now. Just click on this. Okay, and apply and okay, you can see the hatch pattern has changed. Okay, so this is the wall and you have to hatch like this parallel lines. In the same way we can hatch the in AutoCAD. Okay, so just go to the hatch tool palette, H enter, just wait to open it. Okay, and from the drop down menu you have to select the hatch pattern of brick. What is the hatch pattern for brick? You have seen just now in the AutoCAD the parallel inclined lines. Okay, so just search here. I have just closed it so that we can apply the hatch in this. For detailed drawing you have to close or check one by one. Okay, this is our pattern for hatching for the brickwork, and just click within this. Okay, you can see this wall has been hatched as the brickwork. Okay, this is the brickwork hatching, as you have just seen in the Revit, that for brickwork the hatching pattern should be like this. Okay, this one. Brick masonry, the hatching pattern is what? Parallel inclined lines. Okay, so now you have understood how to hatch solid and how to hatch the pattern texture of different elements. Okay, so you have to memorize the different pattern or different hatch category pattern. You can do that from a scale. Okay, here is the scaling. No? You just have to increase this or decrease this. Means if you click on 5 enter, then the spacing between them will be increased. If you click on 0.5, then the spacing will be decreased. Okay, so now let's go to the another thing. You have just seen how to hatch an element, how to use hatch pattern for different element. Okay, just seen in the Revit that there is the so many different materials for them. Hatch pattern is different. Okay, so just try to memorize them. I will provide you the PDF of all the things. Okay, we will see this annotation in further, or we have just seen a little bit from the annotation command how to use annotation, but we will see in the further command. Okay, here we will see important thing, what? The block and the block management. Okay, it is very small topic but important one. Okay, so okay, let's trim the extra parts. In our previous videos we have seen how to insert door from the YQRs plugin, but if you don't have YQRs plugin and you have to make your own door, then how can you draw this? Okay, so first of all measure, I forget this, the size of the door, 2 feet 6 inches now. So you have to make your own door. Okay, and for door opening you have to draw an arc now. Just select 3-point arc. If you have selected 3-point arc, then it is okay. First point, second point, and third point is here. Okay, so here you have make a door from line command, but you must separate this door as a block so that you can edit further in the future. Okay, so how to make this door as a block? You have to select the door. Just remember, you have to select only doors, not the this line. Okay, so just deselect this line. How to deselect this line? Just press enter with your shift and press the left key on this. Okay, left button of the mouse. This is the selection of only door. Okay, so you have to make the block now. So just enter B, enter. The block command will open and name it as B1. Sorry, D1 means door 1, and you have to select a pick point. So just select a pick point from where you have to place the door. So just select the starting point, and for now just delete it. Okay, and click on OK. So the door has been converted into block, and if we have selected for the delete now, so it has been deleted. So from where you can see it, you have to just go to block and click on insert. So just go to the insert tab and click on this drop down icon. Okay, you can see so many blocks here that we have previously created, but search for the current block. What? D na? Let's see, where is our D1? This one na? This is our D1. If you want to insert this D1 in another drawing, so just you have to click on insert and click here D1, and you have to just place here. Okay, from here to here. In the same way you can also insert this D1 in some another position. So just click on insert in the block panel, click on D1 and just click here. Here you can also get an option to rotate, mirror and so many things. So just I want to rotate this. Okay, angle of rotation will be 180 degree. So you can see, and place it in the middle of this. Okay, so now you can understand what is the use of block and block management. Okay, so if you have created any block, so you have to just click here insert, and you can place the same block anywhere you want to insert. Okay, so if you have created anything in the block, it will be helpful for you in the future to edit, modify and do anything in that. Okay, so if you double click on this, it will open the block editor. Okay, this is the block editor. If you edit something here in this block, the whole block will be changed. Okay, just for example, if you delete this arc from here and just close editor and save changes in d1, the arc will be deleted from whole d1. Okay, you can also see here the arc has been deleted. Now our next thing is attribute editing and adding attribute to the block, example material, dimension, anything. Okay, so we will see it in the further or next lecture. Okay, so we are ending our lecture here. Just practice till now how to create a block, how to edit a block and how to name a block. Okay, and second thing, how to hatch, means how to hatch different element of the house, means for column if you want to fill it by solid hatching, so how to fill it solid, how to change the color of hatch. For wall, if you want to draw the parallel inclined lines, then how to select hatch texture, and how to use everything we have studied today. Okay, so till now, thank you guys, see you in the next lecture.